When comparing Teamgate versus Salesflare to find out which CRM is best for small businesses, it's crucial to focus on how they actually help you grow. Both have unique strengths, but as we go through the features, pricing, and limitations, you might start questioning which one really meets the needs of small business owners like yourself. Stick around because, by the end of this, you'll know which CRM really deserves your attention, and no, it might not be the one you expect. Let's start by looking at Teamgate. It's designed with simplicity in mind. Small businesses love how easy it is to get up and running. It's got a clean, intuitive interface, which is perfect if you're just starting to use a CRM for the first time. But here's the thing, while Teamgate excels at being user-friendly, it lacks some advanced features that larger CRMs offer. For instance, its reporting capabilities are pretty basic. This might be fine for small businesses, but if you're looking for in-depth analytics, Teamgate can leave you wanting more. Next thing, let's talk about automation. Teamgate does a good job automating basic tasks like follow-up emails and contact management. However, if you're looking for complex workflow automation, this CRM doesn't quite cut it. You might find yourself needing more customization, especially as your business grows. It's a decent choice for a small business that's just starting out, but as you scale, you might find its features a little limiting. Switching over to Salesflare, it's another popular choice for small businesses, and it brings some powerful features to the table. One of its standout capabilities is its automation. Salesflare can automatically update your CRM by pulling data from your email, calendar, and social media profiles, which saves you a ton of time. This is a major plus for small businesses that need to streamline their operations. But here's the downside. While Salesflare's automation is excellent, the user interface can feel a bit overwhelming, especially for people who don't have a technical background. It's not as intuitive as Teamgate, and you might find yourself spending more time navigating through the software than actually using it. The learning curve is steeper, and this can be a big drawback for small businesses that want something quick and easy to use. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Teamgate is on the more affordable side, but that also means you're getting less in terms of advanced features. Salesflare, on the other hand, offers more sophisticated tools, but it comes with a higher price tag. If you're a small business trying to stay within a tight budget, you'll have to weigh whether the extra features in Salesflare are worth the additional cost. Now, let's talk about integrations. Both Teamgate and Salesflare have decent integration options, but Salesflare takes the lead here. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Zapier, MailChimp, and other essential business applications. Teamgate, while it does offer integrations, might not support as many third-party tools as Salesflare does. This might be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on certain apps to run your business. In conclusion, both Teamgate and Salesflare have their merits for small businesses. Teamgate is a solid option if you value simplicity and need something easy to use right out of the box. Salesflare, on the other hand, shines if you're looking for deeper automation and are willing to spend a little more time learning the software. But after trying both myself, if you want a CRM that combines the best of both worlds, simplicity, power, and automation, I've found an even better option. If you're looking for a more robust solution that's specifically tailored for small business needs, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available to everyone.